All right, so here, give it a shot. This is my spiced chocolate cheesecake. It was so good that I already ate half of it.
I'm good.
Yeah, it gets a thumbs up. All right, let's show them how to make it.
Wait,
What?
1 thumbs up, 2 thumbs up, 3, 4, 5,
Wow,
6,
it's that
7,
good?
8, 9, 10, 11.
Rock on. Good stuff. To make my spiced chocolate cheesecake, you gotta start with the crust. So I've got the dates and the nuts and the cinnamon in here, and I'm just gonna grind it up. So when it'll hold together in a ball like that, and it looks kind of like this, you can press it into the pan. Just pour the whole thing in, and then press it down in a nice even layer. Once you get that date and nut mixture all pressed into the bottom of your pan, you just pop it in the oven. To get the filling going for the chocolate spiced cheesecake, you've got to start with whipping your heavy cream. So the next thing after the whipped cream is to melt your chocolate. And in my mixer, I've got the sour cream and the cream cheese. So all I'm going to do is start this going and then add in all of my components one at a time. This is my sugar and all of my spices, and that's gonna go in first, then the chocolate, and then the whipped cream. So let's do it just a little bit at a time so you don't end up with a cloud of powdered sugar. All right, so the next thing that goes in is the chocolate. All right, so the final step, add in the whipped cream and just let it mix enough for it to combine. Is to take the delicious filling, God, does that look good or what? And just put it inside your cooled crust, layer it all on top, smooth it out, and throw it in the refrigerator until it's been chilled all the way through. Do I have any chocolate on my face? Because I did lick the bowl.